Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from, depending on your location. Please, if you are just visiting for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share any content on this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you. About the video I posted previously about this COTP app being on Play Store, after signing up, then I did everything and I posted it. Then I went back to the app a few minutes ago to see this information that I'm about to show you guys now. So please, if you are joining us for the first time, please like our video, share and subscribe. So I want to show you this information that they displayed to me, which is, I don't even understand what is going on again. So let me bring it out. This is what I saw on the app, which I saw on the Play Store. This exactly thing that I saw. As you can see, let me read it out so that you can hear it. They wrote, attention. Then they put money dollar emoji and said, due to the migration of the website to the application, due to cyber attack on the platform on May 22, all deposit and withdrawal service are currently carried out through the Android application. If you have any question, contact support. If you watched the previous video that I made, when I click on contact support, they keep on sending me customized message. They are not even responding to me. They are not. I don't understand. So okay, now let's go. Let's try and click on the customer support again after seeing this message to see what. Let's see what they will say right now. So after writing this thing, they say I should click OK. Okay, let me go ahead and click OK. Then I will contact the customer support to see if what they are saying is true. All right, let me click the OK right now. This is the OK they said I should click. I've clicked on the OK. Okay, this is the customer support they said we should contact. I don't know, this is the fake app that is trying to copy everything that Cotp is doing. But even at that, their dashboard is quite different from normal Cotp when it was functioning. So let's click on the support and see if they have changed anything there. Telegram. Still the same thing. Let me see. Hi. They are still sending the same automatic message, which is not what we want. Okay. In fact, all this platform, I don't even know what to say anymore. Imagine. In fact, this one can, okay, look at the message I've popped up again. Thank you for watching and subscribing. God bless you. Please do us a favor by commenting, telling us your take on this particular issue that we are facing. Tell us your take about this new app, this particular app. Now, if you know anything about it, please, the people out there wants to know what is going on. So the people are asking for update 247. So if you have any, just share in the comment section so that every other person can see it. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye. Have a nice day.